here's what's going on. Getting a little thin for content. It'd be better if I had a shop, but you'll have that. Things come in time. Things come in time. And, well, apparently the snow isn't coming in time, so I haven't been able to get any snowmobiling footage or four-wheeling or recovery footage. So nothing too exciting to show you right now other than what I've been doing in this contraption. One second while I call my dog. Lobo! Lobo! Get about over here. Good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy, huh, Lobo? Yeah, good boy, buddy. Good boy. All right. So here's what I got going on. Got my 90 here in the porta shed. Try to keep it out of the weather. And this thing needs a lot of work. A lot of work. And I have a lot of parts for it. So I'm attempting to do that while it's in here. And as you can see, I'm a little cramped, but I'm able to get things done. And yes, that's carpet. So I can get underneath and do the brake lines and stuff that I need to do. These fenders are going to get changed out after I baha'd with them and tinted them up. I've got new fenders for that. And back here, starting back here, because this box side was pretty bad. There was a dent in the back from a truck sliding sideways actually into a tree, moving very slowly. It was kind of depressing actually. Anywho, here's what I'm on to now. This truck had the typical rot above the wheel well here because of the way that the inner wheel well and the outer is sandwiched together. All the crap gets up inside and it settles right here in between where those are sandwiched together, and it rots them out. And yeah, I'm still doing that to this day. So I had to cut out the bad stuff obviously, and this is not a how-to or anything like that or tutorial. I'm just showing you my stuff and my project, what I'm doing. I'm not necessarily doing it the right way. Actually, I'm kind of doing a hack job, but hey, it's my stuff. I can do that. And I'm using my cheap Hobo Freight welder. And believe it or not, it's actually getting the job done. I had to obviously do some practice first. And in a way, I did kind of do this right. I mean, obviously, I cut out all the bad stuff, ground everything down to bare metal, and got it all cleaned up, rust-proofed and painted on the inside, and got everything lined up the way it should be, marked it out, started down in this corner, and just tack welded. You know, I didn't do all these next to each other, obviously. You don't want to get the panel too hot in one place. It's thin sheet metal. I did make sure there was a little bit of a gap for that weld to take a good hold and give a good solid weld. That way, grind it down nice and smooth, and it'll take very minimal Bondo to get that cleaned up real nice, and that'll be good and strong. I mean, you can push on it right now. I'm pushing on that hard enough to bow the metal a little bit, and it's holding strong. So Hobo Freight welder for the win on this one. Obviously not all the tacks are the greatest. I'll have to go back and clean some of this up and do the finish welding. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that or doing the Bondo or anything like that, because it's just gonna have you on time lapse with some crappy music, so I won't torture you with that. But as I get along and get some other steps done, I will show you. Once the finish welding's done, cleaned up, show you that part before I put the mud on. This back end has got to get cleaned up. That was just terrible. And Yeah, I just threw some mud over it and spray painted it because it looked really bad, and well, it still looks really bad. So that's gonna get fixed. This whole bedside's gonna get cleaned up. Still not sure about paint yet. I do have this blue, so I can match it if I want to. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I really want to stick with this color or not, but like I said, we'll see. But I'll try not to bore you guys too much here, but I just did want to show you that this is what I'm working on, and for my first ever attempt at a patch panel, I'm going to call that a pretty darn good success so far. I mean, it's solid, and there's no rust anymore. It's all metal now. So just got to get it finished getting this tacked up and cleaned up. Move on to the next part. So yeah, I guess that's about all I got for you guys right now. We are supposed to be getting some snow tonight through tomorrow, which may make things interesting. I do have to work tomorrow, unfortunately, 7 to 7. It's the life of a working man. But maybe we can get something on video that's actually exciting and fun to watch, because I kind of bore myself sometimes. All right, everybody. Well, if you watched all the way through, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. There will be more and better content coming out, as much as I can get anyway. I will do what I can to please the people. Well, to please me, really, but hopefully please you guys too. Entertain you, something like that. So, yep, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hope everybody has a really great day. Keep it between the ditches.